Being dumped on constantly by microwave energy is against Geneva war crimes. Geneva war crimes. Also, it's an American war crime. And yet I've had to endure this for months. It is old at this point. I'm tired of waking up with puke in my throat from assholes above me. I've already made a claim with www.icaact.org and Targeted Justice, and have all 3 PDFs that can be used in any courtroom in the United States. One about microwave energy, one about the NSA, and one about who does gang stalking. I mean, I'm getting dumped on and the fucking heat don't even work. I got a spectrograph downloaded on my phone, and you can see it just lit up when I'm perfectly quiet, and that's the rays bouncing off of my ass. Now I'm going to take it I was knocked out with EMF because the side door was unlocked and the other door wasn't even locked, and that's rare. I don't ever leave my doors unlocked, so either somebody came through it, through the floor and went back up, or knocked me out with EMF before I could lock the door. Because I went out to check on something about the heater, came in and fell right to sleep, and should not have.